Hello friends. In today's video, we're exploring Amazon's best sellers in kitchen and drying gadgets. From handy kitchen tools to innovative drying solutions, these gadgets will simplify your daily tasks. Make sure to stick around for our top picks, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more great content. So friends, let's start the video.
Number 7. Ice Maker. The new Air Portable Ice Maker can produce up to 50 pounds of ice per day, perfect for parties, gatherings, or everyday use. Its compact design fits easily on countertops, making it ideal for small kitchens, RVs, or outdoor events. With a fast ice-making cycle, you can have fresh ice in as little as 7 minutes. The large capacity storage bin holds plenty of ice to keep your drinks cool without constant refills. It's easy to use with a simple control panel, and the self-cleaning function ensures hassle-free maintenance. Whether you need ice for cocktails or cooling down beverages, this portable ice maker delivers convenience and efficiency.
Number 6. 4 USB ports. This 6FT surge protector power strip offers 8 widely spaced outlets, perfect for accommodating large plugs and adapters. It also features 4 USB ports, allowing you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, including smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered gadgets. With 2100 joules of surge protection, it safeguards your electronics from power spikes and fluctuations. The 6-foot cord provides flexibility in placement, making it ideal for home offices, entertainment centers, or workspaces. Its overload protection ensures safe use, and the heavy-duty design guarantees durability. The sleek, space-saving design keeps your area organized and clutter-free while powering all your essential devices.
Number 5. Freezer trays. The silicone freezer trays with lids by zip standing stand out as a versatile and convenient solution for efficient food storage. Crafted from high-quality platinum silicone, these trays offer exceptional durability and flexibility, ensuring they can withstand both freezing and easy release of contents. The blue color adds a vibrant touch to your kitchen, while the compact dimensions of 6.29 L into 512 W into 236 H make these trays a perfect fit for most freezers, enabling you to optimize your storage space without sacrificing functionality. With a generous capacity of 1.1 pounds, you can easily prepare and store a variety of meals, sauces, or snacks, catering to the needs of families or meal preppers. The included lids create an airtight seal that keeps food fresher for longer, minimizing risk of freezer burn and allowing for safe transportation if needed. The transparent design of the lids provides easy visibility, letting you quickly identify.
Number 4. Bluetooth speaker. This Bluetooth speaker with HD sound delivers crystal clear audio in a compact, portable design. Perfect for on-the-go music lovers, it offers wireless connectivity for seamless streaming from your smartphone, tablet, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices. The powerful bass and crisp highs ensure an immersive listening experience, whether you're indoors or outdoors. With a long-lasting battery, you can enjoy hours of uninterrupted music. The speaker is lightweight and durable, making it ideal for travel, picnics, or parties. Its built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, adding to its convenience. Water-resistant and easy to carry, it's the perfect companion for any adventure or casual listening session.
Number 3. Tablecloth. The Pureg plastic tablecloth presents a practical solution for various occasions, blending functionality with a clean aesthetic. With dimensions of 108 inches in length and 54 inches in width, this rectangular tablecloth is designed to accommodate standard dining tables comfortably, making it ideal for both everyday meals and special gatherings. Crafted from durable plastic, the material offers excellent resistance to spills and stains, ensuring that maintenance is hassle-free. This feature is particularly advantageous for family gatherings, outdoor events, or parties where messes are inevitable. The white color provides a classic and versatile backdrop that can complement any table setting, enhancing the visual appeal of your dining experience while remaining understated enough to fit in seamlessly with various decor styles. In terms of usability, the Pureg tablecloth is lightweight and easy to clean. A simple wipe with a damp cloth is often sufficient.
Number 2. Wall charger. This wall charger is a compact and powerful device, perfect for charging your electronics quickly and efficiently. Equipped with multiple USB ports, it allows you to charge several devices simultaneously, making it ideal for home, office, or travel. The fast-charging technology ensures your phone, tablet, or other gadgets get powered up in no time. Designed with safety features like overcharge protection and short-circuit prevention, it keeps your devices safe while charging. The sleek and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, fitting snugly into any bag or pocket. Compatible with most smartphones, tablets, and other USB-powered devices, it's a reliable charging solution for everyday use.
Number 1. Halloween Cauldron. The Gift Express 12. Black Halloween Cauldron is a large, durable plastic witch kettle perfect for adding a spooky touch to your Halloween decor. Its 12-inch size makes it ideal for holding candy, party favors, or small treats for trick-or-treaters. With its classic black finish, it adds a fun and eerie vibe to your haunted house setup or Halloween party. The sturdy handle allows for easy carrying or hanging as part of your decorations. Lightweight yet durable, this cauldron is reusable for multiple seasons. Whether for candy or as a decorative centerpiece, it's a must-have accessory for your Halloween festivities.